Hoy, galit ka. 104.
104,
You know you toot me.
Ako, stick to one.
Alam ko naman po yan si Alden.
Stick to one talaga.
Ito yan.
Opo.
Mas mahal si Alden.
Maybe.
No daw.
Ate, kayo lang po nagsasabi niyan, very wrong.